Today I wanted to talk about the FOIL method and also Quadratics formula. So the FOIL method goes like this. You go first, outer, inner, last whenever you're giving problems like this. So let's start with this problem. First, we're going to multiply the first two variables of the equation. So we do first, and then outer, inner, and the last ones. So first, x times x is x squared. Outer, x times 8 is 8x. We're going to put positive 8x. Inner, 3 times x is 3x plus 3x. And last, 3 times 8 is 24. So we do positive 24. Now, we combine like terms, 8x plus 3x, and we get 11x. So your new answer will be x squared plus 11x plus 24 is equal to 0. And that is your answer on how to solve using the FOIL method. Now we're going to use this same equation and we're going to solve using the quadratics formula, which we will get the answers. We'll figure out what the answers are, but hold on. So it's x squared plus 11x plus 24. We're going to use the quadratics formula, which is this formula. Negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. Divide everything by 2a. So the previous answer we got was x squared plus 11x. X squared plus 11x plus 24 is equal to 0. This will be your a variable. This number right here will be your b variable. And the 24 will be your c variable. All you have to do is plug in the variables that you see right here into this equation and you will get the answer for x. Here is an invisible one, remember that? And I will go ahead and solve it. Please pause the video and try solving the answer by yourself. I'll come back to you with the answer. Okay, you should have gotten something like this. So let me help you guys out. So I plugged in the variables just as they were right here. Then I went ahead and worked the problem out. Over here I got negative 11 plus or minus the square root of 25 divided by 2. Of course, we can reduce this further to get the answer for x. I went ahead and did that. And you should have gotten something like this. Negative 11 plus or minus 5 divided by 2. Went ahead and reduced it further. X equals negative 11 plus 5 divided by 2, which I get x is equal to negative 2 over 2. Reduce that further, x is equal to negative 1 as one of my answers. Then on the other side, I did negative 11 minus 5 divided by 2. I get negative 16 divided by 2, and you get x is equal to negative 8 as your answer. So your two solutions will be as x is equal to negative 1 and x is equal to negative 8. And what I was trying to tell you guys before is that remember on the previous example, the first example we were working on, we had gotten that when we were doing the FOIL method, we had gotten x plus 1 and x plus 8. I'll show you guys what I mean. This is what I'm talking about. Like in the beginning, it was x plus 3, x plus 8. And that is what we should have gotten when we plugged in the variables inside the formula. I messed up. Right here, it should have been negative 11 plus 5. It should have been 6. So correct that. It should have been negative 6 divided by 2. Should have been negative 3. But anyways, as I was saying, these two are your answers. And it refers back to the same problem we started with, only opposite signs. And that is all for today. Thank you.